Usually we have correct tool here to release. You need to push the tire to disconnect. Today I have that kind of set. It's very simple. I think it's on eBay. It's super cheap, and I hope so it will be effective. And you just keep going around to remove easier tire. You can use silicone lubrication, which will be much easier. When you're lifting the tire, make sure you're pressing over end. You press one and then you lift another one. Just make sure you push another end. When you're pushing another end, example, the tire edge going in the gap, you have a gap here, is bigger. So tire drop, you have more space to pull out here. Free. And you keep going like this, step up after step. I will stand myself on the tire and slowly, and then go around. And that's it. Then you can pull out the tube slowly and finish from inside. Pull out, yeah, and that's it. Or make sure the wheel is in the middle, and slowly, and that's it. And then put that holder, put back the tab. When you put the tool, you don't want to grab a tube, so that's why you put it with air, and that tube will gonna stick back of the wall. But don't put too much, a little bit, keep it in place. And slowly, a little steps at a time. Slowly like this. Easy. See? And